evening, everyone. Uh, in this short demo, we are going to see how we can easily create AI agents in our platform, Fabrix AI Agentic platform. So let's go and see. Hopefully, it works. We are trying to do this live. What we have, few agents created already out of the box, and I will create a new agent, and this will do something like network device compliance evaluation, and it tries to run through a bunch of configuration checks, and it will give a report for you. Let's go. And here I have the agent builder studio that is open right now, and what you can see here, few tasks or nodes that you can use to build this agent. And you can also provide some inputs through this global variable, and that is what we are going to set up first. All the required inputs for this agent, we will set it up here, and then we will use some of the LLM nodes to send data to LLM, and then finally we will save the output, and then we'll see the results. So first, let me save give it a name. So we just gave it the agent some name and some description. The next thing we are going to do is provide some inputs, required inputs for the agent. So first one is we need to create something like a server token, because all the agent operations should be authenticated. We need to provide that. So let me do that now.
Attention Cisco Live Instant Security.
I added a server token, which actually allows it to do authenticated communication. Right now, I'm adding another input, which is essentially a device IP. This can be a range of IP addresses. It can be a subnet, and this is what will be the input for the agent. Let me add two more outputs. So these are the agent output as well as the evaluation output. Now we have added all the required inputs and outputs, the server token, the device IP, which is the input, the agent output itself, and this is an evaluation agent. Now this is the first node that I'm adding, which is actually doing the interaction with the LLM. It actually does the query. I'm going to provide it a user prompt. What I have done here is essentially using the GPT-4o model, and I have selected a AI persona for it, which is a service delivery persona. And then we have provided it a prompt which says that evaluate the configuration compliance for the device. And we are asking it to write it to a global variable, which is the agent output. And we are also using the server token that we created earlier, and we are saving the agent output. Now, we need to add one more MCP node, and this actually performs the evaluation of the previous agent. Like, this is like a double confirmation that we need. So here, if you can see that it is actually asking to evaluate the previous agent's output. Yeah, so this is the setup. We are using GPT-4o. We are using a AI persona called service delivery, and we are giving it a prompt that you are an evaluation agent, and eventually we are asking it to report success or failure. Now, what we are doing is we are actually saving the data, saving the output of the agent to one of our P streams, persistent stream, which is the data storage mechanism in our platform. And now, finally, we are saving the evaluation output. Yeah, here we can see that we have created this agent that's showing up here. Let us try to run it and see how it works. And I'm going to give it a device IP, and the agent job has started. And if you actually scroll down here, see, this is job already in progress, and then within few seconds, the agent job will be completed. Let me go there, and we can see the view details. And here it is actually showing you the agent flow, and these are the tasks that we have added. And this job is in progress because behind the scenes it may be trying to execute some commands like show version, show running configuration, or other kind of commands. And it will try to evaluate the configuration policies against that particular device. That's why it's taking time. Yeah, now it is complete. So when you click on that job, it says that it is success. I know we can see that this is a successful result, and it has performed all of these compliance checks against the device. It is looking at the firmware, the IPv6 configuration, password, access control list, and there are a few other policies that it has evaluated against this particular device. Now you can see that how easy it is to create these agents. Just within few minutes, we are able to create a running agent. So thank you so much for tuning into this session. Thank you.